What are these types of computational models we have at our disposal?
There's a multitude. I already mentioned two. I already mentioned kind of the kinetic models. I also mentioned the metabolic models, flux balance or metabolic flux analysis. They're subtly different. And then another aspect that's gaining a lot of traction, I believe you spoke recently with Michael Sokolov from DataHow. So I think we're from the same general school of thought in this sense, I'd say. But you have a third class, if you may, are data-driven approaches, where just purely based on the available or data that will be generated in one of these projects, you can derive essentially statistical expressions that relate inputs and outputs. Now, those can be applied to multiple objectives. On one hand, and the most common way in which this is done is for chemometrics, right? So, for example, for Raman signals, for continuous monitoring of bioprocesses, there's vast amounts of data that are generated, the full Raman spectrum. And the overall idea is you can perform data analysis and then generation of data-driven models that relate certain nutrients or metabolites or product or even glycosylation profiles to the Raman signal that's being observed.